Good morning, YouTube. My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy. And in this video, I'm going to show you this perfect job that is available all over the world that you could do starting today and actually start making money today. As a little disclaimer, I am not sponsored by this site. I'm not sponsored by this job listing. I'm not sponsored at all whatsoever. I'm not even trying to sell you anything. Everything that I'm going to be showing you is free, and all you need to do to get started is your cell phone. Not even a microphone. All you need is your cell phone because there's already a built-in microphone, and you'll get paid more by using your phone anyways than with a professional camera. I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step in this video, so let's get started, okay? So we're going to be using Fiverr today, and if you haven't known or haven't used Fiverr in the past, basically it allows you to create job listings for free. Back then it used to only start at $5, but now you could price it for $350 starting $250 up to like $2,000 or even more. It really depends on the types of jobs, but it's basically a freelance website. I actually made $40 off like a 30-second job, so it's pretty good income. I've actually made a little bit of money, and I actually used these services before for YouTube stuff, TikTok, things of that nature. But in this video, we're going to be looking at a very special way to make money that even you can do, anybody could do, and it's an easy way to get money today, starting today with no professional equipment, and that's called spokesperson. Okay, so if you look at these job listings, people are making a ton of money making spokesperson videos. Look, $150, $100, starting at $100. This one has had 149 reviews, which probably means she's done 1,000 orders. This guy starts at $100 and he's had over 1,000 reviews. I'll be your professional video spokesperson for $100, 262 reviews. So let's go see this top guy. He's a top rated seller and he's made over $100,000 with these spokesperson gigs. So we look it up, $25 for 25 words. For a standard order, $145, it's $75 for 150 words. And for a premium listing, it's $175 for up to 150 words. And he's not even the one who's actually making these scripts. He's just standing in front of a green screen and he's actually making these videos. If you go look up spokesperson natural, for example, if I could spell properly, spokesperson natural, okay, they have a ton of not spokesperson, there we go. See, he'll be your spokesperson drinking coffee, English or Spanish. Some of these guys require you to just be in your car, so let's go spokesperson car. For example, 76 services. These guys are just making little videos, little reviews in their car, and they're making money that way on their spare time. See, I will be your natural selfie spokesperson in my car. For 50 words, it's $10. For 100 words, it's $20. So it's really an easy way to make money. As you can see right here, he has at 155 I love, meaning people have saved his particular job listing, so he's probably sold more than 23. This is just the people who has reviewed him. He's a level 2 seller. That means he's had at least a minimum of 50 orders. Okay, so let's say he did a 500 word script, for example. He could make $100, but the cool thing with Fiverr is that you could list it out and as many different, whatever you want. We could list out whatever price you want. You could start up as $100, like what some of these guys are doing, $175, because they have a more professional grade camera. But you could do the same thing with just your smartphone. Most of the smartphones today shoot in 4K. So all you need to do is legit stand in front of a white background, for example, and just speak. Okay, a high quality spokesperson for your brand for $105 starting. And this is awesome because you don't need a degree. You don't need anything of that nature to get these really good listings and to get a ton of people actually buying your product. All you gotta do is honestly start off with being your natural spokesperson and do these cheap gigs for around $10. Use these cheap gigs and bring up your rating to around 5 stars, and the more stars you get, the higher you're gonna be showing up in the search ranking. Okay, so the more stars, see how these 5-star ratings are at the very top with the most ratings. Okay, so that's what it means. So to get to the very top, you're going to see more people are going to buy your product if you are in the front page. So lower down your price, get a couple 5-star ratings, at least like 20, for example. And now you're going to be showing up in the front page, and then you could raise your price to like $150 starting. And then you're going to make money that way, because look at this, $150 for 1 to 100 words. If someone gives her a 10-second script, she could be making $150. For a 1 minute with fully edited, this is raw footage, okay, for $150. For a fully edited video with images, videos, text is $375. And for a premium package for 2 minutes with full editing is $550. You can honestly make a full-time living out of this, because look at this. She has over 9 orders in queue right now. And let's go say it's standard $375. She is making more than $2,000 right now in orders and backup, and she has over 2,565 hearts, meaning she's probably done more than 1,000 orders. Okay, so at the minimum, she's made over $150,000 just from this spokesperson gig. And if you look on her profile, she has a ton of other different. Look at this. See, we'll record it in British English. You can make as much listings as you want. It's fairly cheap. 275, 25, 275. It just all really depends on what you want to do. The more listings you have, the more you can actually sell, the more times people will see you. Okay, over 2,000 ratings for only spokesperson gig. This is probably her full-time job. Now, if you don't want to do Fiverr, for example, there's a ton of different things you could do. You could also do affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's you could go to a site like ClickBank, for example, and it's an affiliate marketplace where you could find products, and then you could promote these products on your social media, and you get paid that way. So, for example, if all you got to do is click the sign up button right here, just put in your name, your email, things like that, and make your own account. It's completely free. I'm not selling you anything. And once you're in there, you could search up their marketplace. And if you look at their marketplace, this one right here, if you promote this product right here, you're going to be making $2,340 without even actually making the product. All you are doing is promoting. If you want to promote Ty Lopez's course, you're going to be making $1,000 for conversion. Okay, $2,000 for conversion. So we're going to look at this program, for example. You could make, for example, you're going to be promoting this program, and whenever someone buys the program, you are going to be making around $2,300 just from promoting one program. So, for example, you could make a TikTok account based on stocks, for example, because they are selling stocks, Forex, things of that nature. So if you make a stock channel on TikTok and you gain a lot of views, all you got to do is promote this link in your bio, for example. And whenever someone buys it, you can make $2,300. So I actually made over $103,000 with my affiliate marketing. I am not a course seller. I don't have any courses to sell. I actually just took a course. If you click the link in my description below, if you're looking for the easiest way, I am telling you I am an affiliate for this, but I am an affiliate for my coach who helped me make over $103,457 with affiliate marketing. I suggest clicking the link, checking it out for a little bit. This is called Legendary Marketer. He's one of the top consultants in the world in the digital marketing space, and he's helped over 300,000 online marketing students worldwide with affiliate marketing. And he's the one that actually helped me make over $103,457. I suggest just getting instant access. Watch the video. He's going to give you a full tutorial on affiliate marketing, a step-by-step breakdown. Over 300,000 people have seen the video, and he's helped so many people. He's even helped an old grandma make money with affiliate marketing, because if you know how to do social media, if you know how to do any types of videos, you can make a ton of money. If you could do spokesperson gigs, you can make a ton of money with affiliate marketing. Okay, Well, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the very next one. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay blessed.